If you're experiencing issues with videos not loading on Coursera, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for streaming videos. You can test your connection by visiting other websites or running a speed test. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help resolve loading issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. Restart your browser afterward. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may have compatibility issues with Coursera. Check for updates in your browser settings and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with video playback. Temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and check if the video loads properly. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Coursera from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the video loading issue on Coursera. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Coursera support for further assistance.